The heart needs adventure, no matter what your circumstances or whatever age you are. Join us as we step outside of our comfort zone and learn to sail on a budget. Found out why we run out of water so quickly. 100 litre tank, and most of it is in the bilge, not in the tank. It's only a year old, that tank. It's just one thing after another. Boats. Who'd have one? Fed up with boat maintenance and the English weather, we decided to go to Corfu and spend a week on the Naya, where we were greeted with more boat maintenance and more rain. After an enjoyable week in the sun, we decided we needed some more rain, so we headed home, where it rained for most of July. And then we decided to go and see Kiss down in Kent. Storm entered and departed, the weather cleared, and with a good weather window and a fair tide, we decided to go to Ramsgate. And then I heard the words no sailor wants to hear. I don't want to worry you, said Katie, but, and the but. The but was, there is water coming up over the cabin floor. Oh, I thought. It's not coming from the water tank. It's not from the engine bay. So, we've got water coming in through the keel bolts. Not a deep bilge, this is very shallow, so the water soon comes up above the floor. We're on our way to Ramsgate, a couple of miles offshore, 20 miles from Ramsgate, about 15 to go back. I don't think it's not sinking, but it's not good. It seems to be weeping from a keel boat, which is not good. Not good at all. That's the solution, so we get some Ramsgate towel covering the bilge spots. Keel bolts were leaking. This was a bit worrying. We weren't sinking, so I decided to carry on. A little park where Queen Victoria stayed while she was a princess before she became Queen of England, and that's the house that she stayed in. This is Ramsgate Week. They like to think of it as being the alternative to Cows Week. First race of the week. What is to do in Ramsgate on a rainy day? Is it a boat kettle?
1940s pivot kettle. I can't read what it says. Refurbished.
Oh, suits you, sir, suits you.
Keel bolts.
I think we need that for the keel bolts on the boat.
You steering. You stupid boy.
Got more life in him than me. We walked up the coloured steps at Ramsgate. I've never seen rabbits on a boat before.
Bye bye Ramsgate.
Join us next time as we head for Dover and keep an eye on the leaking bilge. Thanks for watching, and if you like the videos, subscribe. Costs nothing.